Today we'll be talking about getting a job in a product based company. Okay, so here getting a job in a product based company is very easy, as most of the people would think. So for that purpose you need to acquire a few skills. Okay, so the first thing is you need to have some experience with existing open source technologies. Okay, secondly, you need to have a good experience of programming or any other kind of technical skills. Thirdly, you need to know an array of technologies. Okay, and finally you need to have a good understanding of the field of computer science, or likewise you can say any particular field in computer science. See, the field of computer science is very huge, so if you are opting for job like in a animation industry or a gaming industry, then you should be good with computer graphics or image processing or likewise other subjects. So similar lines, if you are opting for a networking job, so you should be good in those skills. So likewise the skills will vary, but the major thing is you have to perform some of these things if you want to get a good job. Okay, so first thing is you have to apply for some kind of internships. Okay, so you can do those internships in your final year or before that also. If you do it in your final year, it would coincide with your project, so it is a better way. So you can do both simultaneously, or you can choose a single project which will act as your internship project as well. So this way you could do it. And secondly, as I am speaking of open source technologies, because open source technologies help you to improve your stuff. Okay, so it is very advanced thing to try. Okay, if you are working on any kind of open source project, so you have to contribute your share of code. Okay, and you get a certificate for that, whatever you contribute. So you have to get that certificate and you can attach that in your CV, so that gives your CV a kind of weight, you can say. So that would help your CV. And then you have to maintain a Stack Overflow rating or something like that. Okay, so Stack Overflow, as everybody knows, Stack Overflow or Stack Exchange, you can say, or lot of things, you see. So it is a forum. Okay, so where you ask your technical doubts or questions and get answers to it. Okay, so in this kind of forums, if you are answering those questions, and there are something like upvotes and downvotes. So upvote thing is like your likes. Okay, people are liking your comments or like that. So the number of upvotes you get rises your ratings. Okay, it affects your rating, so your ratings get higher and higher as you get upvotes to your answers. So it depends. So the more number of questions you answer and more number of people who think your answer solved their problem or something like that, so it will increase the rating. So I suggest you to try that, and you can also write your Stack Overflow score, or I could say the Stack Overflow rating, in your CV. Okay, so that helps a lot. So this way you have to make an impressive CV. Apart from that, you have to cultivate some kind of soft skills. Okay, so these are all the requirements that you need to get into a good company, I would say a product based company. So you practice these things and make a wonderful CV, and then I can say almost 90 to 95% you would get into a product based company. And getting into a product based company assures high salary. Okay, so if a normal guy who works in a service based company makes around 3 to 4 lakhs per year, so on the other hand, if you get into a product based company, you are making exactly twice of the amount. Okay, so this way it helps a lot. So I suggest you put a little effort and get into a product based company. Okay, thank you.